Hello and welcome to today's video, where we will be demonstrating the multi-party conferencing feature in iceBar. Multi-party conferencing enables you to start a conference with more than 3 users. In this video, we will demonstrate how to escalate from a voice call to a multi-party conference. First, I will make myself ready to receive calls. As you can see, I am now receiving a call from a customer. Once I have accepted the call, the Add Participant button becomes available on my iceBar. Now, I need help solving my customer's problem, so I need to add another ICE user to the conference. In order to initiate the conference, the first step is to press the Add Participant button. A dialog box will appear, allowing you to add users to the call. To select a user to add to the call, you have 3 options. The first is to enter the user in the dialog box. To select a user, you can enter an ICE user ID, a phone number, or a Skype for Business address. If you have already entered the user's info in the box, it will be stored in the drop-down menu for easy access. The other 2 options are available by clicking the ellipsis. The first option is to select an ICE user. Under the ICE tab, you will see a list of ICE users, including their user IDs and current states. You can select a user from the list, or search by typing in a name, ID, or state. The other option is to search through your contacts. Under the Contacts tab, you can type in a user's name, email address, or phone number to find the right contact. In this case, I'm going to add another ICE user to the call. I see that Nicole is ready, and she should be able to help me with my problem. So I'm going to select her user, press OK, and then press Invite. The call will now upgrade to a conference, and the users will be visible in the Skype for Business call window. The conference roster dialog box will appear to show a list of all users in the conference. Also, the conference roster button will become available on your iceBar, so that you can reopen it if you happen to close it. In the conference roster dialog box, you can see a list of all connected users. You can see whether or not they have a muted microphone, and whether or not they are video enabled. You can manually mute or remove a user by right-clicking on their name. To invite more users to the conference, you can click the Invite button. The resulting dialog box works the same way as the Add Participant dialog box from earlier in the video. We are still having trouble helping our customer, so I need to add another user to the call. This user is not an ICE user, but he is a Skype for Business user. I can find him in the Contacts search. I'll click the ellipsis button, click on the Contacts tab, and begin typing his name. Once I see his name in the list, I can double-click on it to select it, and then press Invite to add him to the call. You will see in the conference roster dialog box a pending invite, and once he accepts the call, he will appear in the conference roster. Now that he is added to the conference roster and we have successfully assisted the customer, we can end the conference. You can do that individually by removing people from the list, or you can simply press End and completely end the conference. All users, including yourself, will be removed from the conversation and the conference will end. Thank you for listening, and stay tuned for the next video.